season is upon us, and India's real estate sector is in a state of excitement. In a quarter that is known to see peak in sales every year, the market activity has already intensified. But before we talk about what is going to happen in the much awaited festive season, let's talk about what happened in the September quarter that just concluded. Hi, I'm Nikita, your host for this month's Realty Roundup, where we cover big news impacting India's housing market. Housing sales in India's top 8 residential markets dipped by 5% on a yearly basis as the combined effects of the monsoon season and Pitru Paksh played out. As against over 1 lakh homes sold in the same period last year, this year in Q3 2024, around 96,000 units were sold. This change is, however, on expected lines. Traditionally also, buyers wait till the December quarter to get big discounts on home purchases due to the festive season. This usually affects the market activity in the September quarter. डेटा के हिसाब से दिल्ली एनसीआर को छोड़कर बाकी सारी सिटीज में सेल्स में गिरावट आई है। मॉनसून इफेक्ट और पितृ पक्ष की वजह से न्यू लॉन्चेस में भी कमी आई है। पिछले साल के मुकाबले इस साल सितंबर क्वार्टर में न्यू लॉन्चेस में 25% की एनुअल डिप देखी गई है। दिल्ली एनसीआर और चेन्नई को छोड़कर सप्लाई में डिप का ये ट्रेंड बाकी सारी ही सिटीज में देखने को मिला है। Meanwhile, the rising cost of construction materials is a key factor that is influencing the price growth in India's housing market. On top of this, the RBI's decision to maintain the repo rate at 6.5% is adding to this pressure. As a result of this, barring Hyderabad, all other cities in the September quarter witnessed a double-digit growth in housing prices. इस क्वार्टर में प्रॉपर्टी प्राइसेस में सबसे ज्यादा सालाना उछाल दिल्ली एनसीआर में देखा गया है। इसका क्रेडिट लग्जरी हाउसिंग की बढ़ती हुई डिमांड और राइजिंग इनपुट कॉस्ट को दिया जा सकता है। नाउ द ऑब्वियस क्वेश्चन इज, विल प्रॉपर्टी प्राइसेस सी एनी करेक्शन इन नियर फ्यूचर? As geopolitical tensions intensify, the pressure on input cost may continue in the foreseeable future. A possible rate cut by the RBI in the December policy meet could have come as a respite for the home buyers, but chances of that seem to be slim now. Government data के हिसाब से रिटेल इन्फ्लेशन में सितंबर के महीने में बड़ा इजाफा देखा गया है। खाने पीने की चीज़ों की कीमतें लगातार बढ़ने से रिटेल इन्फ्लेशन बढ़कर 5.49% पर पहुंच गई है। चूंकि रिटेल इन्फ्लेशन आरबीआई के मीडियम टर्म के 4% टारगेट के ऊपर है, रेट कट की पॉसिबिलिटी कम हो जाएगी। In the meantime, since the sales activity is likely to intensify in the festive season that kick-started on October 3rd, mega developers in the country have scheduled new launches in India's prime residential markets. These markets include Bengaluru, Chennai, Gurugram, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Kolkata. Major sub-markets where new supply is planned for October to December are Begur, Belandur, Thanisandra and Rajankunte in Bangalore, Mangadu, Mount Road, Kelambakkam and Perangalatur in Chennai, Lake Town and Chingrihata in Kolkata, Kokapet and Neopolis in Hyderabad, New Gurgaon and Faruk Nagar in Gurgaon, and Vasai and Andheri East in Mumbai. Key developers unveiling new projects between October and December this year include Shriram Properties, Brigade, Godrej, Lodha, Prestige, Kalpataru and Purvankara. The presence of sector biggies in this list is indicative of the developer confidence in this sector. It is also indicative of positive buyer sentiment that is being fueled by the aspirations of an upgrade in living standard and a stable interest rate regime. All in all, this festive season, the housing market is poised for exciting developments and opportunities. Whether you are an investor or a home buyer, staying informed about these trends is crucial. Stay tuned for more updates on latest real estate trends. Thank you for watching.